Hi. This works, I think. Yeah. Okay. This does. Oh, wait. No, 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 no. This is not. Uh. Wait. What's going on? No. That is fine. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. What I'm talking about. This is fine. Let me see. How about no? I don't want to do that. Let's do this and this. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this works, and you guys cannot hear this. That is good. Yeah. Um, good. Where are we? I feel like we've just been always in the slump for. Oh, wait, this is way too loud. Um, by the way, I'm really glad this came out. Like, it sounds so good. But yeah, I feel like I've been in such a slump that it's just have been hard to get anything done the last, like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. And I feel like I haven't been doing programming streams because I just haven't been programming, to be honest. And let's see if we can attempt to change that today. At least for the next like 2 hours, because I actually have a sorry. Oh, wait, what am I hearing? I'm hearing funny things. Uh, I think it's just out my window. I think it has nothing to do with what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, I feel like I've been in just in such a slump. Like, wait, am I sharing my screen? I hope I am. Yeah, it seems like I am. Yeah, yeah. I think it's just a stream delay. So I'm looking at my what is it called, my phone, and the version on my phone is just not what is it called? Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So I'm just very quickly skimming through where we left off and things like that, and trying to find the right thing to copy and paste from. I probably will just try to keep doing the normal thing, which is not go too much into the technical details of what I'm doing here, because that's like the most boring thing ever. But I just, want to, chat a little bit and, finally have yet another programming stream after. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong folder, that's why I cannot find anything. Okay, oh, Vecfield, maybe that is. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Yeah. Okay, yes. Wait. No, that is not how it should go. Is it? How to. Wait, can you do that? I guess you can, huh? Okay, yeah. And then you do this. And then oh, wow. There's so much clickities. Let me see. Can I somehow at least make it so that this is not as loud? Let's see. Is there any a Okay, I really need to. I feel like this basically just kind of cements the fact that I really need to replace my headset now, because like this is not actually. Is there a way for me to monitor the what is it called? Yeah, how do you monitor? I feel like I should not be doing this on stream. I'm going to leak one of my credentials doing this. So you know what, I'll do this and I'll figure out how to what is it called? How to how to monitor through OBS. Because the thing is that I'm monitoring through my what is it called? Through my microphone directly. So what I'm hearing is the version without any what is it called? Without any noise cancellation. And because of that, so I'm hearing a lot of keyboard noises, but I don't know if you guys are hearing the same keyboard noises or not. So let me try to find out. So I want to monitor and output my laptop mic, yeah, and then I want to remove the other monitor that I've been using because I don't want to hear the raw you know what? Yeah, I accidentally clicked something wrong, but that is fine, I guess. Okay, now I cannot hear anything. Wow, everything is. Let me see. Output monitor. How do I monitor this? Streaming is hard, isn't it? Yeah, and I think I don't know if you guys can hear, but I feel like one of my friends say that they can kind of hear in my voice just how like I don't know like how much of slump I've been in, I guess. But anyways, oh, monitor device. Yeah, I remember having done this before. And then what now? Disable Windows audio docking. Do I use this? I guess I do, right? And then low latency audio buffering mode. I guess I don't use that for now. Okay, yeah, I can hear myself again. This might be fine. And then I do this again. And then, oh, so this is how you guys are hearing. Okay, this is acceptable, I guess, or at least a lot better than I thought. But I probably still want the actual headset sometime. But noise cancellation is yeah. Anyways, so where are we? We are programming, of course. Okay, so how to do this? Sorry, like my I feel like there are. I don't know if. I mean, of course, I love to be here because I haven't been here for a very long time. But at the same time, I feel like everything in my head is all messed up and jumbled together. And it's hard for me to, yeah. At some point, I will get better at everything, I hope. But for now, let's. How do you even do this? Yeah, so maybe I should talk about like what kind of slump have I been in and why, right? So, what is this? I feel like that's a funny thing. Like I feel like we basically wrote all of this code like during one of the streams like a long time ago, but now I can barely remember anything from this, and there's something wrong with this. Well, there are a lot of things wrong with this. Do I have? Let me see. Do I not output Verilog? I guess I actually did not output Verilog, did I? Okay, yeah, that is good to know. So how do you do spinal Verilog again? Sorry, this is. Yeah, I feel like, okay, so how have I been in such a slump? Well, I guess part of it is the basically exam grading, and then also lecturing I was doing that I actually did on stream, like did a rehearsal on stream a while ago, right? And then after that, I got sick. I don't know if it's sickness or if it's like allergies. But by the way, I stopped typing because I am trying to finish my tea and make a new cup. So I'm not, yeah. I don't intend to just stop typing forever. So yeah, I feel like I've just been sleeping really, really a lot in the last couple of days. But besides that, yeah, let's have something that's slightly caffeinated. But yeah, I have another meeting in like 185. Is that hard enough? I think it is, right? Yeah, should be. I mean, for like Western black tea, you should ideally have like almost boiling water, I think. So it should be like at least 200 Fahrenheit. Not that I really, really care by now, like right now. Okay, so I have tea, but I probably want to sweeten it. Do I have sugar? Let's see. I have brown sugar. Okay, I also have cane sugar. Perfect. Um, yeah, sorry, just trying to. Oh wow, things sound so weird with what is it called? With noise cancellation. I did not realize this is what you guys have always been hearing when I do it. Um, I still cannot decide if I like or hate it. Oh, that's fine too. Yeah, I'm using a spoon that is been sitting in my what is it called? No, that is fine. Yeah. Uh, Okay, good. Hey, now how do I turn this into? I need some code that I can copy and paste from. Am I sharing my screen? I am, right? Yeah, okay. What do I actually want to listen to? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, maybe I kind of want to. This is fine. Yeah, does it really matter? First one, I guess. Wow, AI is taking over the world. This is very loud. Okay, sure, yeah. Where am I? Yeah, so I've had, let me move my tea. Yeah, you guys can see, like, I've had so much difficulty focusing in the last couple of days. Because there's just way too much in my head right now. Uh, but let's try to be productive. Let's try, yeah. Because if I don't get any of this done, then the amount of things in my head will never, would just stay. It will only grow. So let's try to make it so that we can at least reduce the number by one by the end of the day. So okay. So yeah, I should keep chatting. Yeah. Uh. So what are we talking about? I guess that's the other difficulty, right? Like, I kind of don't want to just like spread like negative energy, but I feel like that is what is going to happen if I if I basically just if I just kind of chat about whatever that is in my head, because I feel like by default that is the negative stuff that I don't want to chat about. Yeah. So I don't fully know. I guess fine. We can. Why is this red? Why is the color? Can I just no highlight? I can. Okay. Why is the thing not liking my build? Cannot build? Do I have a syntax error? I'm so confused. How do I build this again? Oh man. I hate programming. Okay, okay. Lack of proper documentation. Oh man. Okay, where are we? Hey, what is this? Run main, right? And then what? And then just very log. This is hopefully whoa, but there is some motorcycle out there. Very loud. I don't know if you guys. I guess you guys might not be able to hear it through the voice noise cancellation. Yeah. But anyways, there's that. It is not asking me to have very later, is it? I hope not. Why is like because wait. Do I not have the thing? This is on, yeah. Like everything Scala related should be on. So why is it not liking me? Because I need to fill, yeah. Like this, and then this, maybe? Like, I feel like at this point I might as well just use, what is it called? Wow. I don't understand why that happens sometimes. Soon enough, I probably. Anyways, yeah. Let's go back to chatting about non-technical stuff because this is too much. Yeah. So I mean, I guess of course the elephant in the room is that I also been maybe playing a little bit too much video games and doing a little too little of being productive because of that. But I feel like that's kind of not the only reason, or at least I hope that's not the only reason. I feel like there are things that in terms of programming, like there's a lot of like I don't know, like what's the correct word? Like a lot of like random tasks to do, but I cannot find the but there's no one how should I say it? like no one continuous streamable task where I can just, sit down and work on it for the next, like, I don't know, 6 to 10 hours. It's like every day I work on something different, and every day I work on like 2 or 3 different tiny things. It's hard to get into a zone kind of thing. Yeah, and I guess the other reason why I haven't been, no, I feel like I don't want to keep talking about it, right? Because it's just a bunch of negative things, and me complaining about myself being grad student and having, all kind of normal grad student duties, which I kind of hate. Yeah, but this is how it is, right? Um, yeah, I feel like that is the other funny thing. Like, I feel like a lot of grad students in like decent environment, they get to basically think about research and research only, and if they're lucky, their main project only. But I feel like just kind of, I mean, I kind of asked for it, but I kind of sign myself up for too many things. And why is it just frozen? Okay, we are using a dev container for this because otherwise this is just never happening. Okay, can I just okay, can I just do this and copy and paste the entire thing over? Can, right? Is this a sensible way to write dev containers? I think it might be. Is this the right? Let me upgrade it. Should I? Yeah. So what is it? Yep. So, anyways, yeah. I guess, I mean, the funny thing is that, like, World of Warcraft wise, things has been good, like, relatively good, except I'm running out of in-game money because I've been just buying way too much raid consumables for the, both for myself and for the entire raid. So, I mean, when I say entire raid, I just mean, like, food. But, yeah. Okay, this is, what do you mean this is not? Okay, that looks a little bit less frozen, which is always good, yeah. And then what? I want to, no, I don't want to build from stores. I want to, what's going on here? I feel like, I actually don't know if I'm getting slower than normal because what is it called? What's going on here? Oh, maybe it's this, yeah. And then how do I do this? What is going? I feel like I really don't understand anything anymore. No, like this is. Oh, I clicked the wrong button again. Okay, so I want to go to a so fun. No, like I feel like that is not a fun thing to talk about. What other fun thing is better? Let me think. I'm blind. I'm actually very blind. Is it? Should be this one, yeah? So I just tag this, and I tag this. That is not the right thing. And then I tag this, right? This, and then this looks like the correct link, but a little bit more updated. So I just do this, and I do that, yeah. And then the thing does not like me. Why not? What's going on? Oh, can I just? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's save me a little bit of trouble if this is doable. Does this work? It's frozen again. Fine. How do I? Okay, please. Can I? Just give me a container. Like this This is too much. This is way too much. Uh, like, what is this? Uh, like, actually, just what is this? Um, where are we? I feel like let's just completely show my train of thought. One of these days, I will also do some piano stuff. One of these days. But yeah, programming is hard. I feel like the other things I shouldn't be so negative if I already opened the stream and already opened OBS and all of that. I feel like part of it is, just me thinking I haven't done the programming thing in so long, so I should do it. And I feel like that is, even though that's the correct motivation, I feel like I should be a bit better at yeah. Yes, so let me see what is there to yeah. Let me think. There's I mean there has to be some fun thing that I can talk about, right? In my life. Yeah, so what have I been doing? I've been playing World of Warcraft and I've been sick and I have been working on side projects that are kind of fun. Yeah, I think I might not have mentioned there's this game dev thing that we are. I mean, you guys could probably guess as well. Guess already because this is kind of the dream of basically all programmers who got into it because they are video gamers and stuff like. Anyways, yeah. So yes, there's this game dev side thing that I spent like I don't know like couple hours on yesterday, and there was also this like writing which I realize is not good streaming content because I cannot chat while writing while doing academic writing. So I've been doing a little bit of that as well. And I've also been contributing to a co-highs project that I think you guys also seen me work on stream before. So I guess those are the main things that has been happening. So it's not like nothing has been getting done, but it's just like almost all of it is well a poor content and b also just a I feel like it's not making how should I say not the right a okay I think this is going to go a little bit smoother. It's not going to give me the Java nonsense again. I hope not. Yeah. The first time we built it would take a bit longer. But hopefully after that, because I have this like lightweight dev container thing, it should make the thing slightly more stable because Magic, I guess. Um, yeah. Um, yeah, I really don't know. Like, I feel I'm being very slow now, but I don't know if it's because I'm being sick or because of what. But that is fine. It would be really funny if this is also frozen. I mean, if this is frozen because I lost internet, and you guys cannot hear me. I don't know if you guys can still hear me right now. No, like you guys can still hear me now. So what is going on? I mean, it is hopefully doing something. Is it not doing anything? Like, it cannot be stuck. Like, I really don't think this could be stuck. What is this? But no, like, I mean, even if it didn't have, if it's missing something, it's saying. You want to sit here for. Oh wow, the noise cancellation is killing my like what is it called? Well, I lean back a little bit, but yeah, let's sit here for just a little bit before we decide to do something about it, because I I feel I kind of want to believe that this is not that yet. And if it actually is that, like if it actually is just stuck, then well, I really don't know what to do with this anymore. But yeah, like this is an error. But then there's warning, warning, and warning. But then there is a what kind of mail script did I get? This one was from no, this one is official mail script, right? So it should not be because like it is not. Fine, let's kill this off and let's redo. See if second time is a sharp connection reset. Going to work this time? Maybe. Why are these things so finicky? Like it should not be so finicky. I don't know how I don't know what to say about this. Like actually, like it almost feels like once you are like in the slump and having a not so good, I don't want to say having a not so good day, but like when things are not going right, then more things don't go right. Okay, fine, it works. Okay. So now let's actually figure out what to do here. Okay. So now let's just continue programming. Yeah, I think that this thing runs somehow. Okay. So where are we? I mean I could see if I can it's close enough, yeah. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to do a what is it called? Um mm, yeah, okay. Wait, how do I even the thing is I forgot how to write Scala. So I'll just do the really dumb thing, I guess. Even though there's probably a million better ways of doing this. Hey, what is it again? First of all, I'm making a smaller number so I can actually read. And then I try to write code. Right. So yes, how do you program again? I forgot how to program. What do I do? Um, um, how do I do a reduce in Scala? There would be a there would be this, right? Wait, no, that's not it. That's not it, right? Or is it? No, plan. Yeah, I think it actually is. Something like this, I guess. And then, sorry. And then a, what? This, right? And then a, shoot. How do you program again? I feel like everything is going so poorly right now. Or whatever. No, this is not how it is, right? Oh no, it's in, yeah. I know it can be just log. It doesn't have to be the actual thing, but whatever. I don't know. I don't think this works. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's write something correct because I don't remember how to do this, and yeah, I actually don't know how. I don't remember how to program, and that is kind of a also kind of why I'm having difficulty chatting while doing this because I somehow thought this was going to be easier, and I feel like at some point it was easier, but not anymore. Oh, and of course the usual politically incorrect thing because that is what Harvard design community does. So sorry about that. A final still we just count. Yeah. Uh there has to be way to do it, right? I mean um oh wow. Sure, yeah, I think I did. Okay, let for my train of thought because I feel like I don't know everything like how should I say like she's a disambiguous. Oh, of course, yeah. Um, let's just do this right, and then a uh um. Can I just no like I can just do this right, and then I do this is at least an over 2, I guess. No, and then this, I guess. No, like this is at least. Is this how it should go? No, like it depends on. Okay, this is an odd number, so this is a do this, yeah. So this is going to give me. Well, this is either going to not compile or it's going to give me something right. Let me just get rid of this notification, even though I probably should not be doing this on stream. Whatever. I feel like yeah, the fact that it had to that we're seeing that means maybe like seeing this kind of reminder means that maybe I'm not the only one in the slump. I don't know. I feel like it's just always whatever. There is gotta be easier ways to do this. Yeah. Is there any? Oh, I could just literally just fold on this. I don't have to. Right? Can I just fold? I'm pretty sure I can, right? Because it should have the right interface, yeah? Why is everything so finicky? Like, I actually don't understand. How do you comment in... Okay, yeah, this is how you write Scala, I guess. Okay, does this work? Yeah, I don't understand anything anymore. What do I have running? Like, I don't think... No, I mean, this is a dev container, so anything... 90? What is running? Like, why am I taking so much memory? Okay, well, first of all, I don't need this, so that should hopefully reduce things a little bit. But then this is... How do you take an XOR of parameter type? Eh? No, like this shouldn't be a wait. What is how do you take an XOR of the of two signals? Sorry, I know I should be chatting a little bit more or giving slightly better content than this. Like this is just really really bad now. I know. This is just a single thing. Okay. How about this? Is this going to work a little bit better? I don't understand anything anymore. But why? Like you should actually give. I don't know. I mean, if this works, then I will not. How do I show the vector? I feel like this is definitely hallucinating. Unless fold left is a thing. No, like this is. I'm almost completely sure this is like very, very like wrong. And I'm also quite sure that what I'm trying to do now, there has to be balance reduce tree. Reduce balance tree. You know what? Why not, right? I mean, I don't think this is going to make things a little bit better, but you know what? Why not, right? I mean, I guess the other thing is that I should just be actually writing that thing out, which I think is what it's always been telling me to do. So yeah. No, but this works, yeah. So if this works, then this should also okay. Perfect. Does this look reasonable at all? Let's see. What are these things? Okay, so I have this, which is reasonable looking. And what are these? These are. Is this basically just. Is this just a. Okay, so this is true. So this is just. No, like there has to be a better way. Like this is crazy. Yeah, I think this is a lot more recent. No, I actually want to count. Yeah. So what is this giving me? This is literally just a wire. It doesn't even say how long is like how big is the wire. Is that reasonable? Let me see. So this is a single bit. And then this is I mean, this also looks like single bits to me if the compiler happens to be smart enough. When you don't have anything here, it's just a single bit, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I feel I don't understand this. Anyways, yeah. And then what do you do here? This is counting, right? Can I think I just have to just what is it called? I have to just test this to be sure that it actually does what I think it does. So let's see, how do I do this? How do I test this, right? I feel like I'm actually just going off track now, especially because I have like 1.5 hours before the next meeting, and I need to be doing something else that is not like I need to actually get the thing to. I need to actually use this, not test it. But I also feel I should test it a little bit. You want this test it? Why the heck not? How do you write a test bench? Well, first of all, I'm still running at like near max memory. Why? Something is eating all my memory, and I don't know why is it. Like this should not be sitting at this amount. Okay, so how do I know what is this? Oh no, that is expected. Yeah. No, I feel like the more I stare at this, the more confused I get. I mean, I have a million tabs open, so if I did this, that will help a little bit, but not this. Like, how is it even using 9 gigabytes of my RAM? Like, I've got nothing open. I mean, I'm so confused. Unless I have multiple virtual. Oh, I do, don't I? Because I'm running this inside. I'm nesting two virtual machines, that's why. How do I do this? How do I. Wait, am I actually nesting two virtual machines? I think I am, right? So I need to do something about this. Alright, let's just commit and do something. Oh, I don't need Verilog. Wait, no. Like this. Okay, and then move this up a little bit, I guess. Okay, and then is this fine? Yeah, this is fine. Everything is going very wrong. Yeah, everything's going very wrong. Sure. So I kill this, and I go here. Yeah. Now this should reduce the usage by a little bit, maybe not so much, but that is fine. What do I want to say about? What else is open? Well, okay, I close this, close that, and close this. Yeah. I'm just going to restart my system. I'll be back because this is just crazy. How do I are we live again? I think we are, yeah. Okay, so I don't want. Oh, I did not mean to open this. Now it's because of the fact that I've opened this. Now the thing is going to not like me again, is it not? Let's find out. Oh wow, too much, way too much. So I need to listen to something. Otherwise, I'm actually going to lose my mind. I mean, I pretty much already lost my mind, but yeah. Something else from Chuni Fest, I guess. Maybe that'll be nice. The things, yeah. Anyways, I already talked about that. Oh, okay. Yeah, why not? You know, she did that. I guess not. I don't know if I should be surprised. Maybe not, right? Wow. Do I do this? Like, what is it called? I guess, yeah, it's like, whatever. Okay, and then are things at least somewhat reasonable, I think. And then let's first see how. Okay, so far it is not. So far it's using 2 GB to just that. So what do I do now? Like, I don't know what is. I mean, this has to do some, Okay, and then I just will not use this anymore. Yeah, and this goes away, and then this should make things a little bit more. Okay, now I close this, and ideally this should drop to almost 0. Like, if I'm still seeing something here, then I don't know what's going on. I mean, I kind of don't want to believe I have a virus because I don't think, I mean, for a lot of reasons. One of them being I kind of don't think that, I mean, like Linux is likely to get viruses. But, I mean, okay, fine, let me close this as well. Now there is actually nothing running virtual machine wise. So why is this? I mean, I just restarted everything. So all I have open is Chrome, OBS, and Task Manager, and a bunch of things that I, opened and closed again. And this is dropping, but it's still using 1 GB. It is going down steadily. I don't. It's ever going to drop to 0? It increased. The other thing is that I feel like I just don't have enough RAM to really. No, I feel like just Chrome is being a 5, 10, 15, 1, and 2. I'm actually losing my mind right now. Can I just. I don't know if I still have a Spotify subscription. If not, then then maybe I will renew it just so I actually have something to work off of. Do I know? No, I don't have it. Is there a more lightweight way to listen to YouTube? Like, I really should not be worried about like memory usage right now. Like, something is very very wrong. No, I should be programming. You know what? Yeah, let's just get back to programming and I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, fine. Okay, so I clone I clone this and I just put it here. So at least I don't have two virtual machines active at the same time. I have only one. The only one being this. Well, I guess I will always have two, but at least I don't have one wrapping the other one, which I still don't believe was the issue, but something was the issue. I don't know what was it. Quantum workspaces, sure. I need like close a bunch of extensions. Maybe that was causing the issue. Like, you know what? I would debug it later, but let me just disable a bunch of unused stuff for now. I want this, I want this, I want that. Yeah, I think I actually wanted almost all of this. I don't get it, whatever. Okay. I'm already in a diff container. Perfect. Now can I just. Yeah, let me try this again. Hope this goes any better than before, yeah? So which would be what? What did I even name this? Okay, does this work? Because if it does, then we can just move on to the next phase of actually finally doing actual work after setting up the stage. Or maybe we should just start doing actual work. And the funny thing is that this is actual work. I mean, the actual work is both this and also me trying to study Japanese, which is maybe the other reason why everything is just why everything is just so slow, because I really don't because things are just going, because yeah, this is just why it is. Okay. Uh, Maybe I should just actually just what's it called? Download this into yeah, I don't know. I feel like there are things I'm still sick-ish. Okay, so I put this there, and hopefully I will have this. And I say, now I have what? Now I have, uh, I have, uh, now I have this, or maybe I should just say instead of saying I have this, let me say I actually implemented this. Except I forgot how to say implement. What is it called? No, it's sure. What is this? The one I remember is not this. It's not this either. Oh, wait, it was. It showed up just now. Yeah, I think that was the one I had in mind. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I mean, this is basically what I did. That I basically try to write Japanese, and then ChatGPT try to correct me while actually answering my programming questions. And I feel like that is basically just how this is going to go now, because I'm actually taking the JLPT in the next like this July, so I need to get good at Japanese. Okay, so I don't know. Uh, okay, I should say that I've implemented our toy example. Yeah. Our okay. So let me just maybe I want to rename this. Yeah. Um, how do I even say I've attached the thing on the message? Uh, is this the right way of saying you attach something to a message? Maybe I can just let ChatGPT correct me if I did it incorrectly. Okay, so uh, is this the correct kanji? It is, right? Yeah, okay, it is. Okay, so I've implemented uh I've implemented the no our yeah, I guess I left out I, which is fine. Basically, I just say I've implemented our tool example, and I've attached it to the what is it called, to the to the to this message. I probably could just also rename the thing to example. So let me do this. Yeah, this is why everything is going so slowly, and I feel like being so unproductive and being in the slump because I feel like just yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah. Um. So next, how do we actually analyze this code? So next, uh, how do you use Yosis? How do you say analyze again? I know I tried to say it last time. Yeah, I feel like kind of repeating things is kind of the only way for me to remember, and I feel like right now I'm just fine with like this kind of slight cheating, because at least this is yeah. How to even read this? Um, Kaiseki. I feel like yeah, I feel I had exactly the same question last time. No, Kaiseki. Yeah, it's similar to the food. Do I have Yosis? Yeah, I do. Oh, uh, okay. Uh, um, I've already installed Yosis. So, install しました。Wow, that just now actually sounds some slight Japanese. Yeah, actually, yeah, let me try to read this to see if I can. Yeah, 僕たちの wow, terrible accent. 僕たちの問い example を実装しました。このメッセージを付けしました。次は、ヨシステと解析するの。ヨシスをもうインストールしました。Something like that. Okay, yeah, I feel like my accent is really thick and really terrible. But that is how it is, yeah. Yeah, actually, no, but the other thing is that I've never actually tried to read my message out loud, but I feel I should do that a little bit more often so I can at least figure out what's going on here. Also, I probably could, like, actually translate this to Japanese as well. But yeah, I don't know. Right, C and F, sure. Um, okay, so it is saying that is this Muki or is this, how do you pronounce this? Yeah, okay. So, hi, あなたの声はもうかなり良質向きです。Like, yes, your toy is quite, I guess, I don't know how to translate this, like, comparable, I guess, or, it fits Yoshi's. Yeah, uh, I don't know what is this, but this is basically complete combinational, so you don't need to do any. Yeah, this is where the maybe I should just do this. Yeah, more words. Yeah, okay. Yeah, right now there's no timing on roll, and then upload. Oh, the implementation I've uploaded. You input physical errors and you take the what is it called? Blow my nose. Oh, yeah, I think it's just, so it's basically just telling me that it's read my code, which is good, yeah. So basically every row's a, take an XOR of every row, and then, yeah, it's just proving to me that it's read my code, yeah, which is reasonable. And then, but then, this is first, right? First of all, I think. Yeah. So first of all, say one that there's one important thing to say. Um. Okay. So I basically, yeah, let's find like basically a like, wait, is it really? Do I have an indexing bug? I hope not. So this is, no, I mean surface code is surface code, right? Like no matter if you do like each row or each column or whatever, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Yes, or I hope it is. I don't know. Um, yeah, whatever. This is fine. Yeah, and then this should be fine for now. Yeah, and then so you read Verilog, and then you okay, so you grab the Verilog, and then you do what? And then a yeah, how many input output are there, and then what happens with the intermediate cell? I don't know what cell is this, but like why do we care about cells here? But okay, so read it, and then you prepare the top module. Okay, yeah, you tell it what is the top module, which makes sense. And then stat, because hello world kind of thing, and then you do, okay, yeah, and then how do you do this? Maybe I should attempt to translate, yeah. Okay, so inside Yosys, you, I don't know why I can read all this, but whatever. Okay, yeah, I mean, of course you can. Yeah, of course I can, because this is, you literally just read off the katakana, so of course you can read this. All of us can read this. Everyone can read this. Okay, so basically you say, okay, yeah, you decide, everyone who can read both katakana and kanji can read this. Yeah, so you decide what's the top module. Or actually I don't understand the grammar. Kimete, how to even, second, okay? Kimete second 준비 sulu. Kimete. Oh yeah, this is the telephone. Basically, you decide. You first decide the yeah. I think it's the sequence thing. I guess, yeah. And then yeah. So this is use this basic flow, yes. And then okay, so in terms of circuit, how do you dominate Iluka? So how is it looking like? You want to double check Kakunin Sulu? You don't Kakunin this, yeah. Tattoo. Okay. For example, if you do this, Matawa, is it next, or actually I need to understand this, or oh, it's either or, so I don't have to. Okay, yeah. That is neat, yeah. And then you can do settings. Okay, and then okay, yeah. So first do set, and then we can do sharp set, yeah. And then a CNF にしたいなら、まずコンビネーションのワードにして ABC。ABC は何ですか？ feel like my God and car sounds too similar, and that just now probably is also a terrible accent. But I'm surprised that I even tried to say that in Japanese. But yeah. Whatever, okay. And then, so you do this and you write whatever funny things. Okay, and then basically you want to check one thing, which is that you have CNF, and then yeah, and then logical error 1, and then you want to count just that, yeah. Okay, that makes sense, yes. And then you want to, yeah, sorry, I'm not translating all of this by, yeah, otherwise I'll never actually get anything done. Sorry, I know I'm not chatting about anything exciting anymore. I'm just showing you guys that I can read Japanese. Either that or showing myself that I cannot read Japanese. What either or. But yeah, like, I have like, heck, I was sitting around in like, I don't know, since 4 hours ago before I took like a nap and woke up and started programming. And started programming, but I hope it's still edible, yeah. Oh, Oh, yes, the important part. Okay, so we just have to say, okay, we've implemented the tool example, yeah. Okay, so first of all, it should be, of course, and then, so it's tempo sulu. Okay, good. 次は用してと解析すればよいでしょうか Of course, yeah, okay, so I've heard this before, but I feel like it will still take a bit before I'm able to write correctly. 就是ว่าmore install why is whatever, okay. Oh, because of course, yeah. More install master. Okay. Tempo しました。次にこれを要してどのように解析すればよいか知りたいです。解析すればよいか。解析すればよいか知りたいです。よしはすでにインストール進みです。Is that correct? Is that the right way to read it? Zumi. Install Zumi desu. Oh. Almost spilled my drink over my charger, which would be incredibly bad. Okay, mama copy. Yeah, copy and paste. Let me see. Okay, let's first make sure that it is not hallucinating, yeah? So now I basically just go to Yosis. I'm glad I did set up the thing, so I can just do this. Okay. And then I do this. There's no problem. So it basically did what it should. That is good to know. And then, yeah. Cells. You know what? Yeah, maybe I should just ask because I actually don't know. So, Yosis, no. Yosis? So, I know it actually tries to use it in Kana, so maybe I could also try to see what Kana is it and try to copy it, because I mean, I would guess it's just Celu, but let me double check on that because I know it says somewhere. Where do you talk about Cell? I feel I'm actually very blind, like incredibly blind. Hmm. Um, 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 where's this? Um, do I even have this? Maybe I do. I need to double check. But before that, like, I'm scrolling through this and I cannot see a word cell. And I know that this is, oh, yeah, this is just cell. Deska. Also, what is cell in Yosys? If you see, Nandeska. I feel like there's probably a more polite way of, uh, yeah, maybe there's a more polite way of asking this, but I don't know. Like, basically, what is cell in Yosys and also what is ABC? Yeah. Mm, okay, so this is what is called like theoretical, or why is it the like why is it lonely here? Logic. Oh, logical device. Of course, yeah, of course, of course. Yeah. So logical device. Oh, okay, sure. Yeah. So this is gate. Um. Good to know. So graph. Okay, good. Um. Okay, so ABC is the basically a way to optimize and I guess compile or whatever. A tool to optimize and compile logical circuits. This is actually the what is it called? The word order is completely opposite to English, especially AIG and CNF. Okay, sure. Um, yeah, so you can turn it into CNF. Okay. An inverter graph. I feel like ChatGPT was telling me about it the other day and I don't remember. Ah, whatever. Okay, sure. Oh, okay. ヨシスとは何ですか？また APC とは何ですか？何ですか？何ですか？何ですか？ Whatever. I feel like I don't know. Like if you read the yeah, I remember like Akiyama Sensei talk about it on one of his YouTube videos, but I forgot what was the conclusion. But basically, like if you read this in kana, then it's ka, but it always sounds like ga, which is why it is. Yeah, which is the way it is. Yeah, sure. Okay, and then okay, yeah. So now back to what we're doing. Um. Oh. So do we have to write it? Wait. Actually, what did Junie even suggest? Junie suggested a list flow. So I need to somehow. Oh. sorry about that. Okay, so you have a what is it called? Verilog, Yosis, and then a AIG. Is that what I'm doing right now? But it stays like ABC kind of thing. I don't really understand the workflow here. Let's see. I eventually want a CNF, yeah? So it is saying that so I have Yosis and okay, so I know Yosis now and know CNF now, but how do I need AIG somehow? Is it also or? Yeah, or AIG, yeah. Okay, so I basically just write AIGR and then AIGR and then toy dot AIG, yeah. Huh, okay. That is unlucky. Then let's try this again. So what do I have? A Verilog and then prep, yeah. And then what do I do? A so is this what do I want? Okay. If this is AIG map, then I should be able to do this, yeah? Okay, so let me just try to write down what I did here so I don't remember. So I don't forget. So what is it? There's probably some kind of script that I can actually just write. But okay, so I do this and I do this, and then I do a AIG map, and then and then I do this, and then I can exit. Yeah. Okay. How bad is this? That is probably. I mean, it obviously contains a bunch of. I mean, I don't want to hex dump this, so I would just. I would just assume it has meaningful information that's not human readable. Okay, and then do I have this? Okay, so huh? Oh. Wait. How do I? Wait, huh? Um. Unless I can just use ABC inside Yosis, which I feel like there probably is a way to. So let me try this. And then what? And then read AIG with Iger, maybe? Okay. Yeah, so I can read this. And then okay, I cannot. Okay, okay, so now I say I do have a AIG. Okay, so now I say I do have AIG, but I don't know how to use ABC. Uh, uh, I I never realized how to like correctly what is it called, how to correctly what is it called a conjugate this, but I think this is right. Oh, it's cut it. Um, play AIG. How do I say create? Oh, just output. Yeah, why not? What do we say earlier again was the attach. I feel like my short-term memory is garbage and I don't remember anymore. And I feel like I probably have zero chance of actually remembering. Uh yeah, there's no way I would have remembered this. Mm, tempu. Like tempura, but just tempu. Um okay, and then I will of course do this. Uh hmm. Okay, so I use Yosys right Iger to create this, and now I have a attach it here. But now I want to say a what do I want to say? Um uh uh I don't have it installed. I don't have ABC installed. Uh but inside Yosys a mm, uh I should say my sure. I don't know. Um yeah, I don't know how to say this in Japanese, but basically I want to say that I did not install it separately, but it seems like it exists inside Yosys. Uh 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 yeah, I feel like I really don't know how to say this in Japanese, but basically, oh, Nashitai should be Hoshi. How do I? I feel like there's a better way of asking this, like, uh, don't you tell us? No, that also sounds wrong. How do I even ask? Like, how do I do something? Um. I know I definitely have heard it somewhere. I just don't like. How should I say it? Like hearing it and writing it is different. um. Mm, uh, maybe I just ask what's the next step. Tsukino step. Yeah. Maybe if I wanted CNF, what should be my next step? Is this how do I say I want to? Want something? So she as in yeah, I misspelled. Hopefully he knows what I mean anyways. Okay, so it doesn't know it doesn't know the voice code, yeah. Yosis ABC. Okay. Can I do this? Okay, yeah. Okay. And then what? And then read Tiger Toy AIG and then slash and then write CNF toy.cnf. Just control C, yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now I want to ask what is stretch, but I also want to first see how do I actually use Japanese. How do I actually say anything in Japanese? Yeah. So a yoshis the yosis the right Iger or tsukate. Oh, I did conjugate correctly. Yeah, I think tsukate is the what is it called a the object like the passive form, right? I think. Toy I forgot how to read this. Shutsu 六を出力しました。ここに添付しました。ただ、ABC は別にインストールしていません。別に This is how you use it? Okay, ABC は別にインストールしていません。していません。しています。Why is いませんなありません I don't know. Okay, でも遊戲のな、遊戲 The thing is that Japanese pronunciation does not allow this. Anyways, yeah. でも、ヨシスの中には ABC があるみたいで。次は CNF が欲しい。欲しい場合はどうすればよいでしょうかどうすればよいでしょうかどうすればよいでしょうか I feel like this is a useful phrase. I need to maybe I should just remember this entire thing wholesale. Or, just use it a couple more times and we'll see. Okay. Okay, good. So okay. Uh thanks. This ABC. Then uh uh ga arimasu. Let's cut. Uh, Shotsuryoku, right? Shotsuryoku? Shotsuryoku. Play CNF. Shotsuryoku shimashita. And then what? And then, okay, so, thank you. There is, Yosis ABC does exist. By using it, now I've outputted, that now there's the output for CNF. And then I want to say, tempu shimashita. I attached it. Tsuki wa? Oh, Tsuki. Tsuki wa? Share that? No. Kaiseki, I think. What Toyate or something like that. What was it again? The phrase. But then it's like it doesn't apply, right? Maybe just Toyate. Or no, I think it still applies, yeah. Dosleba Shopse no kaiseki wa dosleba yoi desho ka? I mean, if this is wrong, it would just fix my grammar. I tokoro mate kitaimasu. This sounds so. That accent is terrible. Kitaimasu. 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 Imasu? I feel like that just sounds wrong for whatever reason, but I don't know how to fix it. Kitaimasu. Imasu? Imasu? いいところまで来ています。ここからが窓カウティンの本番です。I feel like my accent is really, really, really bad. 今回は一番重要? Is it 重要 or what? 重要な okay. 重要な一つステップだけ don't know how to read this either. I mean, I know the meaning because there's kanji, but I don't know how to read it. Sally. Okay. 次にやること。何を数える Okay, I'm not going to just look up a reading for everything, otherwise I would, because I have like half an hour before my next meeting. So now the CNF, actually now I'm curious. before I go anywhere there. Okay, that is human readable, which is better than not human readable, yeah? Okay, so, well, I guess before I do this, also, uh, oh, maybe I should also ask the other thing. Is this stretch? 何ですか? Yeah, I forgot to ask this. Structural hash. Oh, okay. Okay, this is perfect. Yeah. So, yeah, perfect. Okay, now back to what we're doing. Okay. Okay, yeah, sure. A lot more, what is it called? Formal, which should be good, yeah. Yoshizukari, slevu を使って年のを出力しました。添付しました。次は、don't know how to pronounce this. の解析はどのように進めれば、Okay. I need to get good at Japanese. I feel like so much of my language knowledge is just broken. I mean, maybe the fact that no, I shouldn't say that. There's just too much that has to work. What is this? Of course, yeah. Okay, so ew. So what is this? Oh, I could just literally just install this, yeah. But I guess the other thing is right, is how do I okay, so how do I logical error is 1, which is I don't know which one is it, yeah. So ABC, right, CNF, some kind of, yeah, I guess the question is when did I lose the like when did I lose the what is it called? Oh, this is a comment, okay? And then I wanted to say what? Yeah, there's a lot of confusion here. Because, okay, so first of all, this is human readable, but then what do I do with this? Let me think, because I feel like there's a lot of confusion here. AIG2. Yeah, I guess the thing is that maybe the structure is already lost during during Eiger. That and I feel like that and I know I'm not. I don't know. Like this is as poor content as always. But at least I don't know. At least I'm doing some programming thing, which I think is already better than I thought. Yeah. Maybe I need to take a break though between this and next meeting. I kind of don't want to stream like from now all the way up to the next thing. Yeah, like all the way until like 1 minute before the next meeting. That's crazy. Yeah. So I need to. So at some point I need to call it. I don't know at what point. First of all, yeah, maybe I should just ask, is there a way to kind of remember this information? Yeah, okay, now this is definitely going to exercise my Japanese ability because I want to ask if there's a way to kind of carry this information from carry this information and what is the input and output across this entire pipeline. So what is it called? So this is in Yosys. And then I have AIG. AIG should still have the input output information. And then ABC gives me CNF. Somehow by saying that this is read Eiger or something like that, I think. Or what was it? Like, what did I do? Yes. And then a slash, and then write CNF. Okay, okay. Okay, maybe I could ask. Just now, now this, okay, so this is the flow right now. Okay, so okay, so okay, this is input and output, which should be information. Johor? Sure, Johor. Don't know if that's right. Dokoni Ushinata desu ne. No flow naoshita. No. If I fix this flow, so how do I want to but then this E1 to E0 to E9, actually maybe I don't even fully understand what it's saying. So first of all, I want to fix this, which is okay. I don't know this, but that's fine. And then projection. How do I uh uh okay. Can I, if I fix this flow, can I, well, okay, maybe I need to finish writing first because of grammar, I cannot translate, in a correct, yeah, because word order issue. So, automatically, is it just this? Maybe, yeah. Um, is it Trika? Let me see. Yeah. Uh, okay. Okay, maybe let's see if I don't even know if the grammar is right, but I'm basically asking if oh, just now 7 second rule, but maybe I should at least try to actually read out what I'm trying to say. Basically, it's saying that if I fix this flow, will I be able to add this to automatically? Uh, can I add this thing automatically? Because Japanese is hard. Hmm. But yeah, I feel like after reading this, maybe I should just kind of take a break between this and next meeting. Yeah, let her play a little bit of piano, either right now on stream or just in stream and then play it. I don't know. I guess I might as well clean up my desk a little bit, so I can attempt to play the laptop at the piano, and I can play just a little bit on stream before I call it. This is so messy. Everything is a mess. Okay, and also want to make sure the wire does not get tripped on anything at all. Oh, it's saying the Yosis can dump CNF. That is even better, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Can you actually do it? Okay, okay. Uh, is it actually possible? Symbol table, eh? Or can I, if I can just do it purely in Yosis, maybe this is fine, yeah. And then I will be able to, maybe this is quite a promising. I will look after AG. That might be good? Question mark. Okay, can I play this on the piano? I don't think I can. Uh, maybe I won't even try. But yeah, anyways, let me see if I can point everything at the piano. So you know what? In case there's any mishaps, let me just do the funny thing of putting you guys on background. Okay. Oh, you guys can still hear me like this. That is perfect. Yeah. I just don't want to turn the camera on until I'm ready. I guess the right way to do it might have been to just switch to BRB screen. But oh, okay, I'm gonna drop my phone. What's going on? Ah, shoot. Okay, we are good. We are good. We are good. Uh, what am I doing? Okay. So Apple. I have two apple around here. I need to eat them and be healthy. Very good source of fiber, and I think vitamin C. Anyways, oh, I need to tie my hair. Ah, whatever. I mean, you guys not seeing my face anyways. Let me see if I do this, and then yeah, this is just a mess. Okay, that's fine. So I do funny things, yeah. So I do. Let me see. I need to turn on piano input. Then I need to mute. I feel I'm gonna be hearing two copies of the piano, and that would be funny. No, I don't want to. I want to turn off audio monitoring. Yeah. Otherwise, I will be hearing my piano twice. Wait, why? No, I won't. I don't think I will. Yeah, I think I just need to. I just need to do this, and I might be good. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how this goes. Maybe I. Uh. Maybe let me listen to it like once and see if I can manage to. Oh, that is terrifying. Yeah. Uh. Wait, you guys cannot hear, right? If I do this, because if I can have news about. Shoot, can I do this? Maybe I cannot. I know you guys cannot hear yet. Okay, I cannot. I don't want to spend like the last like 10 minutes learning a song and not actually being successful learning it. I'll just play whatever easy things. Sorry, no more cough. Well, actually, I don't know how much was I coughing earlier, but yes, yeah. Anyways, back to it. I don't know how to play this hard to make it sound nice. I feel like it always, when I play it just sounds too like, I don't know. Yeah, it just doesn't sound good. I need to figure out how to play that part. I kind of want to just play something like Shake and Play before I call it. But no, I think I'm just too distracted by a bunch of other things to really produce something that sounds good right now. So maybe I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll just call it. Yeah, thanks guys. I'll see you next time. Sorry. Yeah. Ending's really here. Yeah.